Alright guys, so today we are getting rid of this nasty steering wheel. So this steering wheel is what I've been running for a while, and I actually don't recommend these because they are, first of all, they're hard and yucky. They feel like you're using rubber wrapped metal. So all of this stuff it just feels like you're holding the metal piece and it's just wrapped in vinyl or leather, whatever this is. So I'm actually getting this. I'm actually getting this, which is an OEM piece, and it's gonna look way better and handle way better because it's larger and looks better and it's OEM. Alright, so what we need to do here is do these ugly bolts out, and I'm gonna loosen them first and then just do them by hand afterwards. Actually a pain to install because of the spacer. You have to run all the wires through the spacer, and that's yucky. And we don't need all of this, that's good. So actually, this guy, we need the big impact. So this was the spacer we used because it was sitting too close, and now we're going to take rid of all of this junk, and thankfully I don't need to reuse this guy because the new clock spring came with it, this new wiring, because I did cut this wiring so I can get the horn to work. Pretty good. Okay. And that's the old clock spring. I guess I did reuse that one clock spring, didn't I? Shit. I could have just reused this clock spring. Fail. Big fail. But now do I have to take this out from down here? Oh crap. I have to take this thing off. So to get this guy out, there's just a little guy in the bottom. I'm tightening it, so this is loosening it. Just a Phillips. Goes there. That's happy. I don't remember if this was from the kit. No, I think this was on the steering wheel. Yeah. Unhooks this guy, and we have to unhook the airbag guy. That's for the airbag, and that's just for the horn. That's the clock spring that I have probably ruined. It's okay. It's going in the bin. And now we have the piece de resistance, but we need to see if this will actually fit because, yeah, it should fit. Okay. Down for now. Centered. This fits. I buy it from Germany. Online, not eBay, Germany. eBay exchange version of Germany, I guess. Looks like it's on there straight. But it might be off one click. There we go. That's it. I think that's the tooth we wanted to go for. And now we'll hook everything back up. The airbag switch. Put that down here. It's just gonna go in here. Second pair of hands. Nope, I got it. Alright, this guy will connect here. Alright. And there it is. That's the hard part, I think. Hopefully we don't have to worry about that again. Okay, this guy will click back in here. Great. Alright, that's how it goes in. Now that that's done, the big boy screw goes in. That won't go anywhere. Nice and tight. What is this? That's a lot of foot-pounds. So this is a very old airbag from 1995. And it came from Germany and it looks pretty clean though. But when I put it in here, I'm terrified it will explode in my face. I can hook up this guy first. I should have done this with the car off. Or disconnected the battery, but then you click this guy in. Okay, so that's gonna be a little dicey. I'll know right away if it pops in my face. Actually, I'm gonna scoop back. It explodes. It's not gonna be fun. Actually, I'm gonna do this outside of the car. So if it explodes, it's not gonna explode in my face. Please don't explode.
Hey, you don't make great content though.
Hey, it didn't explode. Great. That's a win. And all we have to do, let me make sure this guy's connected. That's for the horn. That's for this guy. Okay. And this guy goes in like this. I don't even know if I wanted to hook up the airbag, but I'll take it. This is the worst part of the steering wheel install, by the way, because they're in the back and they're not in a very comfortable position to reach. This is a torque something or other. I don't know what size it is. We just have one of these and I gave it a go. It happened to be the right size. And please don't blow up. Horn works. I have an airbag now. I wonder if the airbag light will go away if I start it, because I used to have an airbag light. I also didn't disconnect the battery, so that's the thing. Didn't blow up in my face. I have this really cool horn. Really cool steering. So this is way better. Scoot up. And now the steering is not going to be super duper heavy like it was before. And it looks a whole lot better. More original. I do think this wheel is a little bit bigger than I like, but the other one was a little bit too small. So we're just gonna go with the bigger size. Bigger is better, right? They make those 360 or 370 millimeter ones, but those are like ridiculously priced, the M-Tech 2s. I like those the best, but this is pretty nice too, so I'll take it. This was not bad. This was 300 bucks. Came with the airbag. Still have the SRS light on, which I don't know why. Probably because I didn't disconnect the battery. And the anti-lock stuff. We don't have to look at that. Don't worry, everything works. All right, so right off the bat, like maneuvering it up this parking lot is way easier, because this used to be a huge pain. It's like it felt like I had no power steering is what it felt like. Now it feels like a BMW. So it's a little bit tight, a little bit heavy, but it's very maneuverable. So this is sort of in between what it came with. It came with one of those big boat wheels, and the boat wheels are really annoying because they're very light and they're really hard to do any sort of fun driving with. Spirited driving, it makes it feel very loose. And then that small one was way too tight, so this is a really nice in between. So I'm gonna go it's not bad. I mean, I'll probably fix it later. It is kind of annoying. Okay, well, that's kind of a bummer. You really have to align them right, and I think the previous one was not that aligned either, so I went off the alignment marks of the previous one. But it's mostly straight. Anyways, if you guys like this video and you enjoyed seeing me fixing up this old E34 one step at a time, like and subscribe. It really helps the process along.